Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce to Airtable for lead enrichment, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce app launcher. Search for and select Airtable. From the app section, choose Connect. You will be prompted, enter your Airtable credentials and authorize the connection. In Salesforce, select the specific object for lead enrichment. Choose the fields you want to sync from Salesforce to Airtable. Next, set up a new Airtable base for lead enrichment. In the Airtable base, create corresponding fields for each selected Salesforce field. Return to Salesforce and map the fields accordingly. Review the settings for any specific configurations required. Test the integration by syncing a sample lead from Salesforce. Check your Airtable base to confirm the lead data is accurately reflected. Adjust any field mappings if necessary for future syncs. Schedule regular sync intervals to keep your data up to date. Monitor the integration for any errors or issues that may arise. Explore additional Airtable features to enhance lead management. Consider setting up automation in Airtable for further lead enrichment. With the integration complete, your leads will now benefit from enriched data insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.